Hello, do I need to pay fees for opening an account? I will assume swing trading account. Depending on the brokerage firm you are using, you may not need to pay a fee to open a brokerage account with that firm. For instance, this is Charles Schwab and open individual brokerage account. There is no fee to open that account or to maintain it. If you choose a joint brokerage account, it is the same thing. It's free for you to open it. And within those accounts, you can swing trade. Even a Roth IRA with them, it's free to open it. And once you have the account, you can start swing trading. So there is no fee for open, a brokerage account or a Roth IRA and start swing trading in it. Today we are going to analyze TSCO to see if it's well positioned for purchases next time the market opens. And today is January 11, 2026. Using Thinkorswim platform maximum daily chart is TSCO a buy next time the markets open? The answer is no. And why is that? Well, using a long option and swing trading strategy, we like to buy at this valley line, support line passing by the low of the chart. But right now, the price is coming down from all-time new high going to that valley line, but has now reached a yet. So for that reason, it's not a buy. And the last time the market opened, it closed on green. That means the price at the end of the day was higher than the price in the morning when the market opened. But as we are looking at the overall chart, it seems to be going down. But it just has now reached that support line where we are comfortable buying some share. For that reason, it's not a buy. So thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for all your comments. We thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi, Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and in soap.com our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your accounts from there. The way we analyze TSCO, that's the way you do your chart analysis when you are using long option and swing trading strategy. If you are interested in that strategy and you are not sure if you are doing your analysis well, you want some feedback, will you please check our online store liberdownload.com for our small group online workshop to see if you are interested to reserve a spot. The next one is next Saturday. Thank you so much. The link will be in the description of this video, and more in this video series can be found in the the playlist can be found in the description of this video, how to start swing trading step by step using long uptrend lines. Thank you very much for your time.